What are you doing, Ella? What are you doing? Huh? Peekaboo? You getting your jammies on? Can you say hi?
Hi.
What's your name?
Adriana.
How old are you?
3.
You're 3? What's your name?
2.
No, what's your name?
2.
No, what's your name?
Ella.
Ella, how old are you?
2.
You're 2.
And we're older.
You're what?
We're older.
You're older, yeah, you are. You 2. You're 2 and Adri's 3, yeah. What are you gonna do? You gonna brush your teeth?
No.
Yes. Mom won't be mad if you don't. Because you don't want to get cavities, do you?
We love to brush our babies.
You like to brush your what? Your babies or your piggies? Or your teeth?
Our piggy.
Your piggies? Okay,
Yeah.
can you say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Wait, what?
Bye.
Say bye. No, talk. Can you do this? So do. Can you do it? No, do this.